Question number one. Which of the following is the primary function of the human lungs? Correct answer is option D. Facilitate gas exchange. Question number two. What is the name of the tiny air sacs in the lungs where gas exchange occurs? Correct answer is option B. Alveoli. Question number three. Which of the following structure is not part of the respiratory system? Correct answer is option C. Kidneys. Question number four. The left lungs, how many lobes? Correct answer is option B. 2. Question number 5. What is the name of the tube that carries air from the throat to the lungs? Correct answer is option B. Trachea. Question number 6. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps in. Correct answer is option C. Breathing. Question number 7. Which of the following is a major function of the lungs? Correct answer is option B. Exhalate carbon dioxide. Question number 8. Which of these is the primary gas that the lungs exhalate during respiration? Correct answer is option C. Carbon dioxide. Question number 9. Which part of the respiratory system is responsible for filtering and warming the air before it reaches the lungs? Correct answer is option C. Nasal cavity. Question number 10. What is the main structural difference between the left and right lungs? Correct answer is option B. The left lungs is smaller to accommodate the heart. Question number 11. What happens when the diaphragm contracts? Correct answer is option A. The lungs expand and air is inhaled. Question number 12. Which of the following is the correct pathway for air entering the lungs? Correct answer is option A. Question number 13. Which part of the brain controls the rate and depth of breathing? Correct answer is option C. Medulla oblongata. Question number 14. The condition when the alveoli are damaged leading to difficulty in breathing is called. Correct answer is option B. Emphysema. Question number 15. Which type of blood vessels carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? Correct answer is option A. Pulmonary veins. Question number 16. How many main bronchi are present in the human respiratory system? Correct answer is option B. 2. Question number 17. Which of the following occurs during exhalation? Correct answer is option B. The diaphragm contracts and moves upward. Question number 8. In which of the following condition is caused by the inflammation of the lungs tissue? Correct answer is option C. Pneumonia. Question number 19. The term tidal volume refers to. Correct answer is option B, the volume of air exchanged with each breath. Question number 20. The right lungs is divided into how many lobes? Correct answer is option C, 3. Question number 21. Which of these gases is exchanged in the lungs? Correct answer is option B, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Question number 22. In which part of the lungs does the exchange of gases mainly occurs? Correct answer is option B, alveoli. Question number 23. What is the primary muscle used for breathing? Correct answer is option B, diaphragm. Question number 24. Which of the following is a major function of the bronchi? Correct answer is option D, carry air to the lungs. Question number 25. What is the term used to describe the small hairs that line the respiratory passage and help filter particles? Correct answer is option B, cilia. Question number 26. Which part of the lungs protect the lower respiratory system from external particles? Correct answer is option C, cilia. Question number 27. What is the primary reason that the left lungs is smaller than the right lungs? Correct answer is option A, to accommodate the heart. Question number 28. Which disease is characterized by the narrowing of the airways causing difficulty in breathing? Correct answer is option B, asthma. Question number 29. Which of these substances is produced in the lungs to help in gas exchange? Correct answer is option B, surfactant. Question number 30. What is the primary function of surfactant in the lungs? Correct answer is option B, to prevent lung collapse. Question number 31. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of the bronchi and bronchioles? Correct answer is option B, smooth muscle. Question number 32. What causes the sound of a cough? Correct answer is option D, the rapid expulsions of air from the lungs. Question number 33. Which of these diseases primarily affects the alveoli and leads to difficulty in breathing? Correct answer is option C, emphysema. Question number 34. The pleural membrane surrounding the lungs help to. Correct answer is option C, reduce friction during breathing. Question number 35. Which of the following is the primary muscle responsible for inhalation? Correct answer is option B, diaphragm. Question number 36. What is the normal respiratory rate for an adult human rate at rest? Correct answer is option A, 12 to 20 breath per minute. Question number 37. The exchange of gases between the blood and the alveoli is known as. Correct answer is option C, external respiration. Question number 38. Which structure is located at the top of the trachea and helps in sound production? Correct answer is option C, larynx. Question number 39. What happens to the lungs when a person is exposed to smoke for a long period of time? Correct answer is option B. The lungs produce more mucus. Question number 40. What is the primary role of the trachea in the respiratory system? Correct answer is option B. To carry air to the bronchi. Question number 41. Which of these conditions is commonly associated with the destruction of the alveoli? Correct answer is option B. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease COPD. Question number 42. What is the main characteristics of the breathing process known as hyperventilation? Correct answer is option B. Rapid and shallow breathing. Question number 43. Which of the following statement about the human lungs is true? Correct answer is option C. The lungs are primarily responsible for gas exchange. Question number 44. Which of the following is a common symptom of a lungs infection such as pneumonia? Correct answer is option A. Shortness of breath. Question number 45. The trachea is lined with ciliated cells that help to. Correct answer is option B. Filter and trap dust particles and pathogens. Question number 46. Which of the following structure in the lungs is responsible for increasing the surface area for gas exchange? Correct answer is option B. Alveolar sacs. Question number 47. What is the term used to describe a condition where the airways are inflamed and narrowed, leading to difficulty in breathing? Correct answer is option A. Asthma. Question number 48. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the alveoli occurs by which process? Correct answer is option A. Diffusion. Question number 49. In which part of the lungs does the majority of gas exchange occurs? Correct answer is option C. Alveoli. Question number 50. Which factor can decrease the efficiency of gas exchange in the lungs? Correct answer is option C. Thickening of the alveolar membrane.